Hey guys, welcome back to Professional Weekenders YouTube channel. Today we're here in Sarasota, and today we are visiting Save Our Seabirds right here in the heart of Sarasota. It's gonna be a ton of fun, so make sure you stick around, check it out, hit that subscribe button, and let's go.
Let's go. All right, like we said, we are here in Sarasota today. We came to Sarasota a couple months ago to go to the Moat Aquarium right behind us.
Almost a year ago. Maybe longer.
Yeah, maybe.
It's been
Anyway,
a while.
we had a good time at the Moat, but right across the street there was a free exhibit, a non-profit exhibit. So make sure you check this out whenever you come to visit the Moat too. So Save Our Seabirds is a rehabilitation, rescue, rehabilitate, release program, and we're gonna go check out some of the birds that are getting healed.
Yeah, and great thing about this is it's 100% free too.
Lewis's favorite word.
All right, so if you're looking for free or cheap things to do in the Sarasota or Tampa Bay area, this should be on your list.
All right, so
let's go see what they got.
I hear birds because they're kind of loud.
I think there's a sandhill crane.
Sandhill cranes, yeah. So let's go check them out. All right, let's go see what we can see. So we're gonna go ahead and make a quick donation because as you guys can see, the hurricane did a pretty big damage, a lot of damage actually, to the facilities. So, you know, if you're here, donate a couple bucks.
Yeah, I mean, it's free. It's the least we could do.
Yeah.
But yeah, let's see what kind of birds they got.
Okay.
I mean, and it's a good mission here of you know, bird rehabilitation too. So they do patient intakes as well. So if you have a bird that's injured, or you know, you could probably call them and they'll come get it, or you could bring it here if it's safe to do so. And they'll rehabilitate it if possible.
So as you walk in, they do have these little pamphlets you can take with you. You want to return them. It gives you a map of the area and tells you what they do. So they have just around 100 non-releasable birds here. So they have residents who live here all the time. So let's go see the buddies.
So the first bird that we've come across here is the eastern screech owl. Despite his name, the screech owl is definitely being outshined by the sandhill cranes. Which we can't see, but we can hear. Screech owl's like, quiet down, I'm trying to sleep over here. And we found a Mississippi kite. Let's see, again, it's always hard to focus through the bars. Pretty bird. Nice gray color. And we found a couple great horned owls too. There's 3 of them in here.
Hi. They look sleepy.
Yeah.
I guess if you had sandhill cranes as neighbors, you wouldn't get much sleep either.
Yeah, probably not. Not as good as I can get them in focus. It's always hard shooting through bars. I do have a really nice kind of like garden area here with a little waterfall. You can sit and relax. Probably not a bad place to chill out. Although you'd have to listen to that sandhill crane.
There's nobody here. I think we might be the only people in this area right now.
Which is amazing because it's free.
Right?
Yeah.
But yeah. But if you're looking for the manatees, they're not here. We're Save Our Seabirds. Manatees are across the way. They're not affiliated, so.
Yeah, okay. So the marine mammals, marine life over at the Moat. So we have the black vultures, Stella and Stanley. And Christine informs me their favorite pastime is pulling on their staff shoelaces. This is a pretty duck. I don't think I've ever seen one quite like this. I mean, because it looks black and white. I've not seen one with a white head, but also the feathers, if you look closely. Yeah, the feathers are actually kind of green. That's a gorgeous bird.
That's a Muscovy duck, and her name is Mama.
Is Muscovy like, isn't that a city in Canada?
Maybe.
There's Muscovy. And of course here's my favorite Florida bird, the rosette spoonbill. All right, and you're telling me it's got a name. What's his name?
Lewis.
Oh, look at that. A rosette spoonbill named Lewis.
He spells it wrong though. That's what it is.
You're doing it wrong, bird.
Yeah, apparently he has a wrist injury.
And so here we got a couple wood storks. Some of the ugliest birds I've ever seen, I always thought. Storks are just ugly. And then some egrets, and that's some sort of
great blue heron.
Yeah, great blue heron.
Yeah, that's called Gandalf the Grey. That's his name.
Gandalf the Grey, but he's blue.
Well, listen, I don't make the rules here. I just read the paper. But your wood stork's name are Ambrose and Olive.
Okay.
And there you go.
And in this one, we got some yellow-crowned night herons. Christine pointed out that they look like kookaburras, and I tend to agree. Although you kind of have to see them from the side. Now they're looking directly at us. And here we finally found some of the sandhill cranes. Their reputation precedes them. Squeaky doors.
Yeah.
They're big birds though. And these things stand like right next to the road, so it's no wonder that they end up here. But yeah, I mean, these things could look you in the eye. At least Christine. What do you think?
I'm sorry, I wasn't listening. I was looking at the pelicans. What'd you say?
So you're about as tall as a sandhill crane, huh?
And it looks you in their eye, and like, listen, I think birds are fantastic. But when they get tall enough where they can look you in the eye with their beak, it makes me a little anxious.
Yeah, poke your eye out with his beak.
Yeah, I don't like that.
Pelicans. It's a big old bird. We often get pretty close to these guys on the jet skis because they're always hanging out underneath the bridges. But yeah, amazing looking birds.
Now this says the white pelican had to have his wing amputated.
So that one there has wing amputated.
Right, I think it might be the one that we can't see.
He's unbalanced.
Yeah, yeah, he only got one wing.
Have you ever noticed that when Canadian geese fly, they fly in that V shape and one side of the V is longer than the other? Mm-hmm. Do you know why that is?
No, Lewis, why is that?
Because there's more birds on that side.
Okay. He's been waiting to tell that joke.
I tell that joke to everybody, but now we're releasing it to the internet. It's not my joke either. I heard it somewhere.
Yeah.
Dad joke.
Can we talk about how you protect the pelicans?
Christine, what you got about protecting pelicans?
Well, whenever you're fishing, just make good choices. So if, the guy decides to, bite the line, don't cut the line if you hook it. You're going to net it, reel it in, and then you're going to cut the barb from the hook and push it through backwards to remove it.
Okay.
Don't cut it. Take care of our bird friends.
Now we know. So here's a better look at one of the great blue herons, and you can see where they got their name. Those feathers on the back of their head are blue. So it's not entirely gray. And they also got a few more blue feathers there at the top of their wing. He is not doing interviews today.
No, he said no paparazzi. And you hear him smack their feet kind of. Oh, seagulls. Oh, the person's right here with their food.
Flapping, flappy, flappy. Okay. So it is breakfast time.
They are like that underfoot. He's ready. He's stepping on my paws. You gotta wash your paws, buddy.
Whoa!
That's fun.
Just like that.
Yeah.
They are chomping it down.
They can eat almost half their weight in fish.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It doesn't take long.
I liked it when the cormorants are walking because they slap their feet down with their flippers, little pitter pats. So it's kind of fun.
Yeah. Flap, flap, flap,
Flap,
flap.
flap, 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 flaps.
Alright, so I guess now it's time to feed the seagulls too. And what is that guy? Thinks he's a seagull. Okay, so the seagulls get some clams and some little sardines, it looks like.
You just swallow the whole big bowl. Well, I guess it makes sense. They don't have teeth. That's fun.
Now we learned the orange-billed bird is the American oyster catcher.
And his name is abalone.
Abalone, and I guess that's why they fed all the oysters there to him. It's morning time for the cockatoo and the parrot.
Gabby, what could be wrong?
There's the parrot. Beautiful macaw and cockatoo.
So that's Blizzard and Zeus.
Blizzard and Zeus, huh? I've never seen a pink one
I
before.
think that's a Moluccan cockatoo. His name's
No,
Rocky.
His name's Rocky. I knew that.
Oh, okay.
I was going to tell you that.
Oh, well, I got the peepers.
I know, but I was gonna beat you to one. You still beat me to it.
Yeah, I'm too fast for you.
All right, we got a little tiny parrot here. There's a little macaw named Cho. I feel like this is the kind of bird that like a pirate would have on her shoulder because it's just the right size. If you had like a giant macaw, like this thing would be up here.
Oh, hello.
Right over here to say hello.
Hi. Hello.
He's very interested. He's saying, stick your finger in here. Let me bite it.
Hi.
Oh.
Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
No.
No. Okay. We got our one hello today. We'll take
I'm not
it.
gonna perform. He's waving though. Oh, there he goes.
Hi. Hi.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi. And it looks like they have like a little sitting area here, a little educational center where you can come and learn a little bit more about birds. Maybe they'll do some presentations at different times. But yeah, I mean, that's basically it. Not a ton to it, but get to see some really unique birds. It's a good cause, obviously, with them doing the rehabilitation.
Yeah.
and it's great that it's free and open to the public. So they do accept donations. If you can give, do give when you come here. And they also have a gift shop upstairs, which is going to be Christine's next stop.
Yes.
Because she can't pass by a gift shop.
No.
Especially one that goes to charitable animals.
Yeah, I like animals.
And, you know, animals are such freeloaders. When are they going to get jobs? Start working for themselves.
Yeah, they gotta get their own YouTube channel.
So did you make a decision
I think
here?
I'm gonna get a shirt for $24 plus tax.
Okay.
Yeah,
So they
that's-
do have some nice shirts. I hear they seem like they're pretty good high quality as well.
They're very soft. All right, so for $28, we got a sticker, a magnet, and a t-shirt.
All right, yeah, not too bad.
Not too bad.
And you help support the birds.
Yes, my bird buddies. All right, guys, let's wrap up our time here at Save the Seabirds in Sarasota. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. And here is Lewis with your pro tips.
All right, guys, so here are your pro tips for visiting Save Our Seabirds. Number one, it is free to enter, which is amazing. I love things around town that are free or low cost, and this is definitely one of them. Let us know in the comments below if you'd like us to put together a video of like different low cost or free options around the Tampa Bay area. We've been kind of collecting a list of that. Maybe we'll do a video on that sometime in the future. Pro tip number two is they do accept donations, even though it is free. It is a good cause, and if you can donate, definitely encourage you to do so, but definitely not necessary. Spreading awareness about the rehabilitation and the conservation that they do here will also help as well. You can definitely leave them a positive Google review, and I think that'll help their mission as well. And pro tip number three is if you can, definitely stop by the gift shop and pick up some souvenirs. Again, all that, you know, all the proceeds from the gift shop go to help the birds, so they really appreciate that as well. So that's gonna do it for today, guys. Remember, hit that subscribe button. Really appreciate it, really help us out. With that being said, we're out of here, and we'll see you next weekend.
Bye. So, honey,
Yeah.
what was your favorite bird today?
Oh, of course, it's got to be the rosette spoonbill.
Yeah,
like,
Lewis.
as though you had to ask.
Yeah, I think it was pretty fun. I think the cormorants were pretty fun with the little pitter-patters. Those are cool birds.
Yeah, they were fun too.
Yeah.
It was cool watching them eat the fish.
so
Yeah, they were super
fast.
excited.
Yeah. So, honey,
Wow.
and you literally can park in the same parking lot as the moat.
Yeah.
Moat's right there.
got-
Seabirds are here.
We got like prime
We did.
parking. I
We
mean,
did.
this should be a handicap spot, but it's not.
The Lewis spot.
And today we're visiting Save Our Seabirds right here in Sarasota. Hey guys, welcome. All right. Hey guys, welcome.
Action. Right on cue.
Spreading awareness about the mess.
Good job, babe.